Good morning, boss! In the previous video, you showed everyone how to create a bar chart with two metrics, target and value, by category. I wonder, what if the values are over time?
If you want to show values over time, you should use a line chart. What do you think about this chart? Let me show you how to create it. First, with a table like this, we need to rearrange the data horizontally. I will copy and paste special with the transpose option. We will calculate the variance by subtracting target from value. Next, we will calculate the upper value by adding variance to target. For the lower value, we will take the exact value of target. Then, I will format this table to make it easier to read. To draw the line chart, I will highlight the rows year, target, value, upper, and lower. Right-click on the chart and select Data Source. In the horizontal column, if it only shows 1, 2, 3, without the years, I will press the Edit button and reselect the year data. For the Legend Entries column, I will click on the Year value and select Remove, then press OK. We continue by right-clicking, selecting Change Chart Type, and choosing Combo. In Chart Type, we select Line for value and target data, and Area for upper and lower data. Click on the lower part and format it to white. For the upper part, I will color it dark blue with 50% transparency. Next, I will format the lines. For the value line, I will choose dark blue, and for the target line, I will choose gray with a dash line style. I will remove the grid lines. To add series name, I will double-click on the end marker of the line until it shows only one point as on the screen, press the plus sign and select Data Label. Then right-click and select Format Data Label. I will check the series name box and uncheck the value box. After that, I will color the font of the series name according to the corresponding line. I will do the same for the remaining line. Finally, I just need to rename the chart title and we're done. How do you feel about it?
For me, it looks really good, but it's better to let the viewers give their feedback.
Hi everyone, what do you think about this video? Please leave a comment. Also, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to give me the motivation to make more videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.